Hey Jen, I'm Lewis. We built Captain to abstract away the complexities of building and maintaining file-based RAG systems. So there are two main ways that people use Captain. The first is through our web interface, and the second is through our REST API. You can get started with our REST API by indexing your cloud storage buckets, and when you're indexing these buckets, you can specify any custom metadata you might want to have filtered later. So this will be helpful for roles-based access controls and governance. Then you can query your buckets in natural language once they're indexed with inference equals true, bundling an LLM response, which can be streamed back, or inference equals false, returning just the relevant chunks with page number citations. And usually with inference equals false will take just a couple dozen milliseconds. Alternatively, we can create a new collection in the web interface, and I'll just call this PG. And for this demonstration, I'm going to be indexing Paul Graham's essays. So the first step here is to upload, and there are 230 of these files. In the web interface, we have the option to upload from these various SaaS solutions like Notion or Dropbox, and we can also connect our cloud storage here just like we can over the API. So I'll just skip to the uploading being finished here. Now uploading is done, so we'll choose our indexing type. Advanced is great for images, handwritten text, or any diagrams, and basic is a quicker OCR based engine. So we'll go with basic because these are just essays. So while this is indexing, I'll explain what goes on under the hood. We have the OCR engine, chunking, and then we're embedding. So we're doing something kind of interesting here with the embeddings. We're using Voyage Context 3, which is a contextualized embedding model. So what that means is all of the chunks for a given document or file are sent and embedded at the same time, and that provides continuity between those chunks. So this means whenever you search across multiple files, each chunk is kind of aware of the chunks around it with that continuity. And this is really useful for this file-based workload that Captain provides. And of course, all of this is managed by Captain. So as the developer, all you would be using is the indexing endpoint. And then we'll be swapping out embedding models based on whatever we find is working best. Beyond the dense embeddings, we're also doing a full text search. We'll fuse those on query time with the dense embeddings, and then we'll get you back your search results. So I'll skip to when the indexing is finished here, and we'll be good to go. So indexing finished in about 2 minutes for 230 files. If the files were already uploaded to S3, then you'd save a ton of time for this entire workflow. So we can close this now and attach it to the context of this agent. I'll move my camera over here. So the agent, we could just say, give me some advice. And this is a simple master agent that uses the attached Captain collections as context. And then what it's doing here is it's just executing a Captain search query over a tool call. So let's see. Some advice from Paul Graham's essay are do what you genuinely love. We get some citations here, which is useful. And if you wanted to embed your Captain collections into your own agents or AI answer engines, you could click up here and select the collections that you want. So we've selected PG and choose the language. And then you can copy the skills MD or download it or just get the snippet right here. So what this looks like in a production application, we have this Paul Graham essays chatbot that you can play around with at pg.runcaptain.com. Also, you can try out Captain on runcaptain.com, and I'll put all the links in the description. Thanks so much, and would love some candid feedback.